In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your contacts in Gmail. If you've ever needed to quickly look up someone's email address or check the details saved for a person you've emailed before, Gmail makes that pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to access your contacts directly from your Gmail account in just a moment. To begin, go to your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one account for work, school, or personal email. Once your inbox is open, you should be on the main Gmail screen where you can see your emails, folders, and the menu options around the page. Starting from the inbox is helpful because it gives you access to the tools connected to your Google account, including your saved contacts. Now look over to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical bar with several icons. This side panel gives you quick access to different Google services without needing to leave Gmail completely. On that right-hand vertical bar, click the contacts icon. As soon as you select it, your contacts will open so you can view the people saved to your Google account. This is where you can browse through your contact list and find the information you need. If the side panel looks collapsed or narrow, you may need to pay a little closer attention to the icons, since they can appear smaller depending on your screen size or browser window. If you don't immediately recognize the contacts icon, take your time and hover over the icons on the right-hand side. Gmail usually shows a label when you place your cursor over an icon, which can help confirm you're clicking the correct one. This is especially useful if you have several Google Workspace tools visible in that panel. And that's it. Once you click the contacts icon from your Gmail inbox, you'll be able to access your saved contacts quickly and conveniently. This is a useful shortcut whenever you need to check someone's details without manually searching through old emails. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find your contacts in Gmail more easily.